If you have already set up your Shopify store and you want to unlock it so that anybody from any part of the world can have access to it without needing any password, learn it from this video. First is to launch your web browser. As your browser opens, visit shopify.com and log in. Once on this page, click on login. Here, I'm logging automatically because I have set my login details here. Okay? So look at this here. It says unlock store. When you set it up for the first time, it's not unlocked automatically. It's now your responsibility to unlock it. So click on unlock store. On this page, you see password protection, receive access to visitors with the password, which is this. And here you see some list of things it says I should do. I have set this up. Maybe it has not been approved. All right. But this one, review your shipping. This is shipping rates. This is a two product. So I don't think there is need for that. But let's go down here. You can see here it says social sharing image and SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, I have to add this image. I have designed it already. It's a 1200 by 628 pixel. So I'll click on add image, then gets to the downloads folder of my PC. Click on this and click on open. Okay, look at it here. It's beautiful. Then say home page title. So let's call this Godwin Tech. Okay, it's now time to turn this off. So I'm going to turn this off so that people will not require password before they can access the store. And the next step is to click on this save button here or the save button here. All right. So with this, you grant people access to your store without any limitation. So you can see here it says online store is open to everyone. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on e-commerce, including information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment and hit the like button. This video here will walk you through on everything you need to know on how to set up Shopify store. Watch it, you will enjoy it and learn from it. Thank you and see you some other time.